Hello and welcome back to Not a Proper Classic. We're on Big Willy again today and we're going to have a go at the door. I don't know if you can see it's dropped there. Excuse his peeling. So we're pretty sure a door hinge has gone. So if we come inside, you can see how crusty that door hinge is there. So I'm going to have a look at doing the door hinge and whether I can do it without dismantling the entire front end of the car. I'm gonna have to take the wing off, and to take the wing off, you might have to take the light off and the wheel arch liner out. So I'm gonna have a little look and then put the new hinge in, which I got from Ama. It's in one of the boxes on the seat there. So yeah, let's have a little investigate and see how far in the door I can get. So I don't know what you saw in that time lapse, but I was looking to try and get in through the indicator lens. I'm not sure I'll be able to get it out without breaking it. So I think the plan of attack will be get it up on the ramp, take the wheel arch liner out and go in that way to the bottom hinge. Door side's easy, it's just where it goes into the chassis. So we'll have a do of that in a second. So cut to Big Willy going up. So Big Willy's up. We're gonna go under the arch and try and take the arch liner off, which means taking off. There's all these clips. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So we'll take those 6 off and hopefully get in through there, be able to get to the hinge bolts and then put the new hinge on. So I'll stick you on time lapse. Don't know what you'll see and go from there. Clips off. I am going to give the hair a very good clean out because look at all that. But you can, I don't know if you can actually see on the camera or not. There you go, they're the door hinges. So I can loosen those off. Then jack and prop up the other side. Oh, you can see how bad that hinge is now, can't you? And then yeah, we can swap that hinge over for the new one. So clean, hinge, and then swap over. I've got a little brush to give it a little clean out in there now. I don't know how much of this you'll see. I guess you'll see what you'll see. But, oh, this a bit crispy. You can see. I'm going to have to clean up in here now. I'm going to need a long screwdriver, I think. Back in a second. Long screwdriver. Let's try and dig all of this out. It's probably genuine. There's a massive B. He's gone. I was going to say this could be genuine Japanese mud, but he's been in the country for so long, it probably isn't. Yeah, but we think, I need to get onto the DVLA, but we think he could be the first one of these in the country. Certainly a very early one. Anyone in the WiLL Ivory in the UK, let me know if you know when yours was imported or registered. I might speed this up. No, because he had his first, that we know of, his first MOT in April 2004. So he's been here a while. No, I've just got 20-year-old mud in my eye. Wear goggles, people. Wear goggles. Okay. I can get to the hinge, good. Good, I can get to the hinge. So, the hinges, I'll try to show you. They're about there. I don't know how much of that you can see. You can see, so they're about here, the hinges. I can get in under there. I don't know how much you're going to see from the camera, but let me see. There you go, they're there. So I'll crack those off and then kind of go from there. I think I may end up trying to support and jack up a door with a trolley jack if I can get one high enough. If not, I may have to ask for some help, or just try and be cheeky and just do it when it's all still in the car, but we'll cross that when we get there. I'll put you on video without saying you're not going to be able to see anything, it's just going to be me talking. If it gets too much, I might stick you on time lapse. Left Lucy up. Jesus. Yeah. That's quite tight. Well, I suppose it's never been off, has it? So. Come on, Bubba. Come on. I might need a longer bar. Let's see what we've got. Let's try this setup, see if I can get leverage this way. It's all just levers and physics. It was a long time ago since I did any of that. There we go. That's got it. Yeah, it's good. That one's. One done. Hinge number 2. Gee, Louise. There we go. There we go. Cracked them. Need something to support the weight while it's up. Let me come back to you when I think about this. But we'll crack the nuts, that's good. So that's going to be my system. Good chairs with 2 cushions and I know towels on that is supporting the weight. And that's now, yeah, shouldn't go anywhere, so it'll allow me to loosen, run around the other side and swap the hinge. If it all goes wrong, then at least it's on camera. We're nearly there in terms of the bolts in here, so a few more turns I reckon, and I can run round. Part of me's prepared for the door to try and fall off, but not quite that loose yet. But yeah, this is making it better to use every day. Repair, mod, don't know what you call it. Nearly. Bottom working now, which is not working. just so you can see. Old hinge, new hinge, but look at the, don't know if you can hear that, compared to the new one, which is a lot stiffer and tighter. So I want to put you on time lapse while I get this in, and then we can. I'll put you back on video. I've loosely put the bolts on the inside in. This is going to be the fun bit. I'm trying to make sure it's lined up with the holes. I'm trying to see how far out we are. Maybe it would have been smarter to do these ones first. It would have been smarter to do these ones first. Right, I'm going to go back around the other side and I'll just let the tea, then go around the other side and slacken them off. And do this end first, so back in a minute. Right, so it's a two-person job to get the door on, so you just need someone to help shimmy and make sure everything's lined up. We've got all the bolts in. Now it's a case of tightening them up and then see how she lines up, or he lines up either. So yeah, I'll come back to you in a second once we're going to try and adjust the door. So I'll be leaning over the camera, but we've got the new hinge in. Tighten up the bolts to see how it lines up, and then I can, when he's back on the floor, adjust as much as we need to. But hopefully it'll be about right. So I won't do my mega tight. Hopefully you can see more than just my armpit. I'll find out when I'm watching this back, and if not, then have a good view of my armpit. There we go. Okay, that's on, that's on, that's on. And that's how you do a hinge, people. That's how you do a hinge. I'll move the stuff, put the wheel arch liner back in, and then bring them down. We can have a look. Straighten his wheels up. Now bring him down. I'll have a proper play with that door. That should be straight. Instead of straight, excuse the radio. Massive reaction. Right, let's bring him down. We'll be done for today with Big Willy. What's up? Here we go. So on, down. Here we go, it's coming down now. Slowly. He's only no weight. Always check the tyre pressures, they're all still good. So the clock continues with Big Willy. Not quite sure what's next with him. We'll work it out. Yep, that's all right there. Off, off, off. Take the blocks out from underneath. Because yeah, you chop them up on the blocks on there. Sill, the jacket points. They're the words I'm thinking of. Struggling. Oh, he's crispy. He's peeling. He's peeling. I describe him as a Scotsman who's been in Benidorm for too long. I mean, he is flaky and peely. Yeah, he's not red. Right, take these gloves off because they're mucky. Don't want to get his interior dirty. I will be driving back on a towel later, so I won't be making a noise. Let's have a look. I don't know if that's really far down. Will do. Jack. That's what I need now. Right, we'll get the jack him up and sort the door out. So I've got the jack there, I'm going to jack him up, jack the door up, because I'm like sitting too low. So I'll do a bubble wrap. Should be good. And again, I'm doing it in this way, you can't actually see it, but that's what I'm doing. Righty tighty, that's what we're going to do. That's tight. Well, if we don't do this today, I'll have to give up and come back tomorrow and run it out for the day. Fingers crossed, this is his door good. Let's see. I mean, I need to do the top hinge as well. Okay, that's tight. Isn't tight yet. That's tight now. Please, 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 please. I think it's with the carpets. Let's see. Top hinge needs to be done. Annoying, but he's better, I think. Might be able to catch him. He's better. He's better at least. Well, there you go. That'll be. Well, I don't know if he's better or not. Somehow, which is going to be a wing-off job, but that's for another day. But there you go. How to change a hinge on a WiLL. I'll be doing this again another time. So there you go. But no, there you go. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think of Big Willy. Yeah, we'll see you next time for whatever's next. Cheers, guys.